The government has been told it cannot pass the buck when it comes to tackling X's AI chatbot Grok. The social media platform has been roundly criticised for how its artificial intelligence system has digitally undressed images of women and children, with AI Minister Niamh Smith now seeking a meeting with X on the matter. Regulator Commissioner Naman is engaging with the European Commission in relation to Grok, and the Attorney General is examining current legislation, but campaigners have called for more urgent interventions, including a ban on any AI tool that can generate deepfake sexual images. Speaking to reporters at the Young Scientists exhibition in Dublin yesterday, Mr Donovan said that the government will not absent its responsibilities when it comes to X's Grok and will amend existing legislation if the Attorney General sees it necessary. He said the Department of Justice is responsible for the existing legislation such as Coco's Law. He said that ultimately at the end of the day it's a choice of a person to make these images, adding that even if the law changes in relation to this particular aspect of it, advancements in technology are being made far faster than the law can respond. Dublin Rape Crisis Centre Chief Executive Rachel Morrow said that the government should not delay in holding Grok to account and criticised Mr Donovan for holding a defeated view. Both the developer and the platform should be held fully accountable, she said. Of course, legislation does need further revision to keep pace with technological advances, but rather than cower and deflect, the government should not delay in firmly holding to account Grok and all social media platforms that share or create harmful content. The responsibility for the creation and dissemination of this poisonous and misogynist content lies in many different places, from the individuals who prompt the creation to the platforms who broadcast it. She said a much more proactive, agile and coordinated response from government is needed. Irish National Teachers Union President Anne Horan also called on government yesterday to take immediate action on the issue, describing it as utterly unacceptable that legislators have failed to act decisively against the platform. It comes as Women's Aid and online safety charity CyberSafe Kids quit the platform yesterday, with CyberSafe Kids CEO Alex Cooney reiterating calls for a ban on all AI tools capable of generating deepfake sexual images. You can follow this story and more on the Irish Independent.